Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, that is about a square. Number 4, that is about b square. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we simplify this one over this one. Now we put number 2 and number 0 on here. Now we calculate this one. And we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.